Dear fellow collectors, greetings and welcome to a new episode from Germany. You probably remember that I was searching for a chemist several months ago, and I showed you this doll in the video because some of her fingers are missing. And I have an idea how to solve the problem. In my projects for 2020 I showed you this blue chunk, and this blue chunk has to do with my idea. It was my first try from last year. This is a model of her hand, and that's inside our blue chunk. So my first tries looked like this. I bought a special plastic, a moldable plastic. You put it in the microwave and then you get a moldable plastic that's transparent, and you have to stuff it in whatever you want, and I did it in here, but I wasn't fast enough, so that was not the right material for my idea. So my idea is to use this time another silicone. I ordered silicone from a dental shop. They sell lots of products for dentists, and this is a silicone for dentists, but I thought why not use it, give it a try. So we are going to do another try, for not just for the hand, but we are going to do the whole arm in this jar in several minutes. I have to prepare everything and then we start and see how far we come with this experiment. Okay, my dear fellow collectors, I have mixed the two components here. I have 130 grams in each pot, and now I'm going to mix them together so that we can fill it in our glass. Ist noch drin.
Jetzt passt.